Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a collagen eye mask for an easy, refreshing experience. First, let's prepare your skin. Begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. This ensures the mask's ingredients can penetrate effectively. Next, gently pat your skin dry. It's important that your under-eye area is completely dry before you apply the masks for optimal adhesion and absorption. Now, carefully open the package. Now that your skin is prepped, it's time for application. Carefully take one collagen eye mask and gently place it under each eye. Ensure the smooth, gel-like side is directly against your skin. Position the mask approximately 2 millimeters below your lower lash line, avoiding direct contact with your eye. Once in place, lightly press the mask with your fingertips to ensure it adheres well and makes full contact with your skin, allowing the beneficial ingredients to work their magic. With the masks applied, it's time to relax and let them work. Leave the collagen eye masks on for a duration of 15 to 20 minutes. This allows ample time for your skin to absorb the nourishing serum. During this period, find a comfortable spot and relax, perhaps listen to some calming music. Once the time is up, gently peel off each mask. Start from the inner corner of your eye and slowly pull outwards, being careful not to tug your delicate skin. After removing the masks, the final steps ensure you lock in all the benefits. You'll likely notice some serum remaining on your skin. Gently pat this into your under-eye area using your ring finger until it's fully absorbed. It's important not to rinse your face, as this would wash away the beneficial ingredients. Finally, follow up with your favorite eye cream or a light moisturizer to seal in the hydration and complete your refreshed look. Enjoy your revitalized skin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.